I told you guys, right? I told you guys I was gonna do that 20-second tutorial. So here we go. The water's on, right? It takes off because nobody's in here, right? Okay, so mira, les voy a enseñar cómo se lavan las manos apropiadamente. Show you guys how to wash your hands right? So you gotta let the water be lukewarm. It doesn't matter, they just study it's gonna be colder before, right? Get the soap, right? Soapy. And you're gonna go like this. You know, if you're watching, you're getting this. And then you're gonna go in the back, okay? In the back. This is the way you're supposed to really wash your hands, everyone. And then you're supposed to take your fingers and you're supposed to do tiny circles in the inner palm all the way out, So you get all that gross dirt you have. Same thing here, see, ¿verdad? And then when you're done doing that, you're gonna go in between the fingers, Okay, that should be 20 seconds. And now, this water's super hot, sorry. Ooh, okay. And now you're gonna rinse like this. Rinse again the same way, wash it off, and okay, you're not done yet though, right? Usually there's like an electric whatever, but we're gonna go like this. Yeah, see that? You can pull it out.
Sounds like cuando vas a tocar las puertas.
Okay, and then you're supposed to take this napkin and take this, turn it off, right? Then you fold it over, right? And then you hold your handle. Así, ¿verdad?
Put your mask on.
And then in the trash, you go out. So I hope you guys